For the next few years, Dad was sick as a dog, but he made recovery just to spite the odds. The settlement came and we moved out of town.
Fish on, baby! Let's go! Didn't really make much of a run. That kind of got him yoked down. I don't think he's big. We're season pros now. I don't like this long ass pole I got. It's like 10 foot long. I don't know what to do if I get another strike. Got 2 lines in, 1 fish on, nobody manning the boat. Out here trolling, September 14th, 7 o'clock in the morning. Trolling in 100 feet of water, 60 feet down. Yeah, I think it's going to be a small salmon. Yeah, bub. There you go. Let him run. He's on the surface. I got unmotor here. Good fish. Got him. Oh, the battle. Oh, the battle for a 12 pounder. Oh, shit. That's fun. He was hooked extremely well. Let's get this ship in order and get back into it.